On April 22nd, we celebrate Earth Day. Earth, our home in space. Why does it need its own day? If you were born after 1968, you know that Earth from space looks like this. And in the midst of our whole solar system, it looks pretty small. Everyone on our planet ultimately shares the same air, water, ground, and everything underground. That's easy to see from out here. But living in our own little spaces, we may not recognize how close we are, and how something I do here affects the living things on the other side of the world here. On December 24th, 1968, the crew of Apollo 8 were the first humans to witness this view. It's called Earthrise. This NASA mission was carried out in the first manned space vehicle to leave the orbit of the Earth. You know what it's like when you step back from something. Then you can see the whole picture. And that is what was happening in the United States at this time, in a number of different ways, and on a number of different fronts. First, in science. A scientist named Rachel Carson had written a book documenting the damage that was being done by pollutants, specifically by chemicals used to kill pests that were damaging crops, like DDT. Until then, few people realized that, although insects were killed, the killing chemicals were damaging people and helpful wildlife like bees and birds. Her book, Silent Spring, drew attention to what would happen to our world if this type of pollution continued.